about RT Linux. So RT Linux means hard real time. So three type of real time OS is there: hard real time, soft real time, firm real time. So this Linux is a multi-user. So it is a hard real time. So what is real time? So the system that has to perform function by responding to synchronous or asynchronous events within a specified amount of time. So that the above point will suitable for soft real time and as well as hard real time. So RT Linux means meeting the deadline is absolutely critical. The Racket controller, Racket launcher. So incompatibility with time sharing system. The time sharing system try to optimize average case, but real-time system must consider worst case. And contradictory design call for two what is good for average case tends to deteriorate the worst case. A classic example for virtual memory and demand paging. So this is incompatibility time sharing system. So it is an RT system. So it is the worst case. Unsuitability of Linux for hard real time. It is unpredictable scheduling. So scheduling, one of the topic, it is already discussed in real-time OS. It depends on the system load, course time resolution, 10 millisecond, non-preemptible kernel, and disabling of interrupt used for the course grind synchronization, use of virtual memory, reordering of request for efficiency. Reordering means example for disk I/O. So that is primary disk is there, secondary disk is there. So that is an example. Here forced SIX 1003.1b standard. Here it is soft real-time feature in Unix. So we are discussing RT Linux. So Unix also the same functionality, multi-user system, multi-processing, multi-user operating system. It requires following preemptive priority scheduling, logging of virtual pages into memory and real-time signal, improved IPC, improved timer, and Linux only partially comforts to the above. That is for mlock and set schedule system call. So this is case study of third unit, last topic. Don't forget, forced SIC is one of the important topic. It is a standard 1003.1b standard. It is soft real-time feature in Unix, not for Linux. RT Linux aim of the RT Linux: achieve hard real-time performance, high-level timer precision in scheduling, to provide low interrupt latency and customized scheduling, minimum change to the Linux kernel so that the full range of OS services are available always. So approach, RT Linux approaches inspired by MERT, that is Bell Lab 1978, a full-fledged virtual machine VM concept. RT Linux uses virtual machine concept limited to the interrupt emulation. They slip a small simple RTOS underneath Linux. So the Linux becomes an ideal task for this OS. Approaches of RT Linux. Here layer of emulation software between Linux kernel and interrupt controller hardware and prevent disabling of interrupt by Linux. The CLI, STI and IRET are replaced by corresponding soft versions, emulated versions. Here interrupt emulation SCLI, move L $0, SFIF. So another one interrupt emulation S_STI. STI push FL, push HL, $kernel/CS, push L $1F, S_IRET 1:. So this is another interrupt emulation. Then interrupt, it is called calling to the other function S_IRET, push %DS and push L %EAX, push L %EDX, move L $kernel_DS, %EDX, then move DX, %DS. It is an interrupt emulation. Another interrupt emulation, it is all microprocessor based opcode based execution. It is in assembly language. So this is easily formed into the IC and perform some task. So RT Linux task. Here initial design, each RT task executed in its own address spaces. High overhead of the content switch as TLB had to be invalidated. High overhead of the system call. Now all RT tasks run in the same address spaces and at the highest privilege level, but high error code as a debug in single applications can wipe out entire system. It is a task. So the same task it is continuing. RT task run as a kernel module can be dynamically added. Task have integer content of the faster content switching, and hardware context switching provided by x86 is not used, and the task resource should be statically allocated. So it is for KM alloc. It should be used within the RT task. Here scheduling. Scheduling is module based. The scheduler is itself a loadable kernel module and default a simple primitive priority based schedule where the tasks are statistically assigned priorities. The highest priority task ready to run scheduled. So it is schedule also important in RT Linux. So schedule continuation, alternative scheduling policies, earliest deadline first EDF and rate monotonic RM. So here dynamic priority schedule which the task with the nearest deadline is scheduled, and a static priority schedule priority task where the task within the smallest period is assigned in the highest priority. Here timing, RT Linux timing, trade-off between amount of time spent in handling clock interrupt with release jitter. So the program, the timer click to interrupt the CPU exactly when the next event has to be scheduled, one shot mode. So it is a timing some allocations. If washing machine functionality, if you think means you know about the timing. So the global time is kept track of something of all intervals between the interrupts. Timestamp counter available on the Pentium, so can also add in the process. Conventional 10 millisecond interrupt are simulated for Linux, And normal periodic timer mode is also supported to avoid the overhead of the reprogramming the clock every time. Here interprocess communication, many topics are there. The Linux kernel may be preempted by RT task even during a small call. So no Linux routine can be safely called for real-time task. RT FIFO is very important in RT Linux. It is used to communication between the RT task and Linux user process. So RT FIFO buffer are allocated in kernel address spaces, not others, kernel address spaces. IPC, this FIFO, RT FIFO export log-free functions for reading and writing of RT side and standard device interface on the user side, and static limit on the number of FIFOs. FIFOs would be used in unidirectionally and pair can be used bidirectionally transfer. The handler can be associated with the FIFO, which is called, so when Linux task access it, the IPC using shared memory also available. Using shared memory, so it is M buffer module development DEV MP buffer devices can be used in the shared memory. Linux task can be map memory allocated in the kernel using the BM alloc. So the address space and allocate memory is logically contiguous and cannot be swapped out. So it is suited for the communications between the real-time task and user space. It is the difference between RT FIFO. Shared memory. It is queue data to protocol need to prevent overwrite. No queue of the data need to follow the explicit. Message boundary is not maintained, can write structured data into the memory. So here support compulsory you should write about the difference between FIFO and shared memory. So the FIFO or point-to-point channel here have any number of the task sharing memory. Maximum number of FIFO statistically defined. Physical memory is the only limit of the memory. So here design of applications using RT Linux. So it is an envisaged that applications will be consist of two parts. Real-time part it should be fast, simple and small. Other part it run user space and should take care of IO. The user task will be communicated with real-time task via real-time FIFO. It is a structure, it is also architecture of the RT Linux. Here user process, RT FIFO. Here it is connected with Windows and Linux kernel. Windows means automatically it will display. Linux kernel means display and network. Here FIFO, it is the major process. RT process, all things are handled by RT FIFO. Here also RT FIFO is handled the peripheral device and RT process. It is then the structure and architecture of the RT applications. So here hello world RT application, this is a C programming, it is a simple thread programming. Write this small example and explain. Hello world, it is continuing, maybe Java programming or micro code used to write C, C++, that is also possible. Write the example and explain. Using interrupts, there is two type of interrupt, hard and soft. Interrupt are actually device interrupt and have a less latency. RT handler, it is called if it is permit sharing and interrupt is passed on the Linux. Very limited set of kernel functions can be called from them. So here soft interrupt, the normal Linux interrupt, it is do not provide the real-time performance. Kernel functions may be called from them. So and delayed for the considerable period of time and service when the system switched back to the Linux used implementations of the RT FIFO. Here specific IRQ can be requested in the RTL request. So IRQ can be released using RTL free IRQ. So here handler executes the hardware interrupt display and necessary to receive the further interrupt re-enabling is done with this particular function. It is a thread